Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to World Geography with M.Adnan. Today tutorial is related to, as you can see, here is the formula of OSAVI, which means has optimized soil adjust vegetation index. So this formula for Landsat data, and these bands will be used for soil and for red band and for near infrared band 5, and this will be the formula. Okay, so let's start it. Go to the, as you can see, it's Landsat data for a Chhattisgarh district of Pakistan. Here the raster calculator, we use calculator. So, so here we get raster calculator. So this formula will be applied. It's the same like soil adjust vegetation index, but here a little difference because due to the optimized soil vegetation index. And what it will be showing, it's sensitive to the soil type of moisture, and it's also essential to choose the appropriate soil adjust factor for your specific study area. So let's start it. Again, see the formula. 5 minus 4, 5 minus 4, then all will be the plus. Float. We basically use float for brackets. 5 minus 4, then divided by this, and then again float. And in addition, no problem which one is first and which one will be end. So simple, we add by this formula 5 plus 4 plus 2. Okay, and then we simple go to its saving file where we want to save it, and it will be saved here. We write here OSVI, optimized soil vegetation index. Simple. Okay, so it's very little take time, so I will skip the video. So viewers, as you can see, the result will be coming here now. We change its color rank from the properties, and here we go to the symbology. We keep this color. Okay, the higher color will be showing the vegetation with a moisture. So as you can see, this is the vegetated part. As you can see, and this also with the snow covered area, because it's a moisture representing vegetation, so that's why it's also showing with a normal vegetation, and also with these areas where the snow cover present. So that's why because it's a moisture. So I hope so this tutorial will help you. So I will end a video here. Thanks for watching, and you also need to subscribe our channel for more informative videos. Thank you so much.